So you're going to Disney World. You're probably going to pack things like sunscreen, bathing suits, comfortable walking shoes. But today I'm going to tell you about 10 unique and useful things you might want to consider bringing along. If that sounds interesting to you, please keep watching. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are having a splendid day. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim and this is Freshly Squeezed Travels. I recently did a similar video to this one on unexpected things you might want to bring on a cruise. So if you would like to watch that video, I will link it so that you can check that one out too. And none of these items are the same, except I am going to mention one common item that I mentioned in the cruise video at the end of this one, but it's not one of the top 10. Before we jump in, if you love Mickey as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do lots of Disney videos and I would love to have you join my travel party. Quick disclaimer, I am going to mention certain items from Amazon that you might want to check out. I don't own all of them, but I did do some research and found affordable items with very, very high reviews so that you could check them out if you were interested. I will show some of them on screen and I will also link them all below in the description. So the first item is a waterproof backpack. Now, if you love Splash Mountain, you know that you can get pretty wet on that ride and other water rides at Disney. So a waterproof backpack is great to keep all of your things protected. I found one on Amazon. It's sleek, it's attractive, it comes in a few different colors, and it's about $20. But with a waterproof backpack, you won't have to worry about soggy stuff. My next item is a filtered water bottle. Now, a lot of people think Florida water tastes funky. I think it tastes fine, but I'm probably just used to it. So a filtered water bottle can really come in handy at the parks. Instead of having to stand in line to get a cup of water or a bottled water, you can just go to any water fountain, fill up your bottle, and the filter will take care of any weird taste. Brita has a great reusable filtered water bottle, and I will link it below if you're interested in checking it out. Next is one of my best Disney tips, and that is to pack kids' souvenirs with you when you go to Disney World. Now you may be thinking, why would I do that? Disney merchandise is expensive, and when my kids were little, I would pack their souvenirs, things that were very easy to pack and didn't take up a lot of room, and I would give them one every day, and they loved it, and I told them that these were their Disney souvenirs. And if your kids are very young, maybe Tinkerbell can deliver a surprise every night. I would suggest mouse ears. You can actually get them very inexpensively on Amazon. Pajamas, t-shirts, books, trading pins, and bathing suits. They may take up a little room in your suitcase, but they will save you a lot of money. Number 4 is a water misting fan, and I'm going to show you one on screen that I found on Amazon. They come in bright colors, they're inexpensive, and these are fantastic because kids can easily get overheated and overstimulated at Disney World, and a cranky kid can take all the fun out of the trip. You can keep them cool and entertained with a battery-powered misting fan, and this can also be one of their first souvenirs. Now, these from Amazon are about $13, and I think that's a bargain. Next is a pop-up hamper. You can take control of dirty clothes and keep them off of the floor with a pop-up hamper. These are lightweight, they're easy to pack, and I found a set of 2 on Amazon that are very inexpensive. Next is snacks. I always pack snacks when we travel to Disney. I like things like granola bars, trail mix, chocolate-covered pretzels, crackers, things like that. Kids can munch on them in the hotel, and you can also bring them with you into the parks. Yes, you are allowed to bring snacks into the park with you. I also always bring juice boxes with us for the hotel room and for the parks. Next is glow sticks. If you go to the parks at night, you're going to see cast members selling all kinds of glowing stuff. And you can appease your kids by giving them fun glow sticks or glow necklaces or bracelets so that they have them when they get to the park. Amazon has lots of options, but I will link one below. The next one is for the adults. Bring a wine opener. At the end of the day, when my kids went to sleep or they were in bed watching TV, my husband and I would like to go out on the balcony, have a glass or 2 of wine, and just decompress from the day and talk. And I can't tell you the number of times that we have gone to Disney without a wine opener. You can get bottles of wine from almost any resort, but it is handy to bring a wine opener with you if you want to enjoy a glass or two at night. Next is a princess dress. Now, you can go to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. That can be a little bit pricey and get your child all dolled up, or they can wear the princess dress to the park. But a princess dress can be hot and it can be uncomfortable. So what I would do is when we were dining at Cinderella's table at Magic Kingdom, I would bring a lightweight, easy to fold princess dress with us. When we got to Cinderella's table and put our name in, I would take my daughter to the bathroom. I would put on her princess dress so that she could feel special when she met the princesses. Then at the end of the dinner or the lunch, we would go back to the bathroom and she would put on her regular clothes so she could go out and ride rides. Amazon has lots of choices, and I have found a very inexpensive but very nice dress in case you're interested, and I will link it below. Next is a set of reusable straws. Now, I don't know about the rest of the country, but in Florida, we don't have plastic straws, so we have cardboard straws. They work okay, but they don't work great, especially if you're not used to them. I would suggest bringing a set of reusable straws. They're good for the environment, and you'll get a lot of use out of them at the parks. So those are my 10 unique and useful items to bring with you at Disney World. But as I promised, I do have a bonus one, and this is one that I spoke about in the unexpected things you might want to bring with you on a cruise. And that is a portable safe. I have this one right here that I got for a recent cruise, and I absolutely love it. I got it from Amazon. It comes in lots of different colors, and I will link it below. It has plenty of room for all of your valuables, and what we used this for when we were on a cruise is when we would go to a beach. We wanted to go swimming or something like that. This has a steel cable that you can wrap around the back of a lounge chair, and it has a combination and a key lock, and it is so much safer than leaving your things in your shoe. So why am I recommending this for Disney? I'm recommending it in case you are going to the water parks. Now, you can get a locker at the water park, but walking back and forth is kind of a hassle. This you can just place on the back of your lounge chair. You can lock it. Nobody can get into the steel cable. They would literally have to take your entire lounger, and then you can relax while you go in the wave pool at Typhoon Lagoon or the family ride at Blizzard Beach. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. What are your must-have things to bring with you when you travel to Disney World? Please leave a comment below because I would love to read them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk Mickey with me a bit longer, I have picked out a couple videos at the end that I think you might like. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. Thanks for watching.